Day 9, how to create scroll stopping hooks. This is the 30-day momentum roadmap. So we're going to be talking about hooks today, which is what the first 3 seconds of your video is your hook. Okay. So your first 3 seconds are worth more than your next 3 minutes. So we're going to get into hooks. Like usually it's like you're saying something. Okay. You're speaking something. If you're doing a video, that's like the first thing that you say in your video. That is your hook. Okay. So the truth, why the first 3 seconds are everything. There's 5 billion plus people scrolling on social media every day. Your perfect customer is already out there, one hook away from you. Okay. So when it comes to hook, no gap ever. Trim your video so the first word fires the instant it plays because silence equals scroll. Okay. You want no hesitation. Just get right into it and just edit your video. So make sure you just start speaking immediately. Move, do something. Maybe you can walk, like if you have your phone, you can just like move your phone a little bit. Like I see a lot of people, they'll hold their phone up and they'll go like this into their phone, or they'll sit down, like they'll have their phone on a stand and they'll just like they'll sit down in the chair and then start talking. They'll move, okay? Or they'll be doing something. They'll be prepping a meal. They'll be using a whiteboard, writing on the whiteboard, okay? Doing something, maybe walking, some kind of movement, okay? Give them a reason to pause or wonder what you're doing. Now, think movie trailer, not lecture. You're not summarizing, you're teasing the payoff. Make them need the ending. So 3 seconds decides the whole video. It doesn't matter how powerful your message is, how good your content is, if nobody stays long enough to hear it. So you got to grab their attention the first 3 seconds of the video. When you master this, the money follows every single time. Now, the formula, emotion plus curiosity equals scroll stopped. Emotion makes them feel before they decide to watch. So it can be something inspired, shocked, understood, relieved, challenged. Inspired, a mom who turned her phone into a paycheck posting from her kitchen. Shocked, a 9 to 5 worker who realized their safe job had zero security. Understood, someone who tried every business idea and failed until this one. Relieved, a burned out nurse who found a way to earn without trading time for dollars. Challenged, a skeptic who didn't believe they could build income online until they saw the proof. Plus curiosity, one opens a loop they feel compelled to close. So here's an example. I posted every day for 3 months and made nothing. Then I changed one thing and everything shifted. The fitness coach who went from 200 followers to booked out in 60 days did exactly this. What I learned after helping 500 women rebuild their confidence and why most coaches miss it. Okay. So you got the emotion, you got the curiosity. Now, hook formats, 3 formats that always work. Ask a question, make a bold statement, call out your audience. So ask a question, make it about their life, not yours. So here's the question. Have you ever worked all week and still felt like you had nothing to show for it? That's your hook. Do you ever wonder why you eat perfectly Monday to Thursday, then sabotage it all weekend? What would your relationship look like if both of you actually felt heard? Number 2, make a bold statement. Shatter a belief they've been carrying. The reason you haven't built income online isn't the platform, it's the system you're missing. Cardio is not the reason people lose weight. Most trainers won't tell you this. Your relationship isn't broken, you just haven't been given the right tools yet. Number 3, call out your audience. Make exactly the right person lean in. This is for the person scrolling at midnight wondering how to make their first dollar online. Your mom who hits the gym at 5 a.m. For the mom who hits the gym at 5 a.m. but still doesn't feel like herself, this is for you. So you're speaking directly to moms, okay? And you're speaking to the person that's actually scrolling at midnight, okay, looking for ways to make money online. Or if you've been the one holding your relationship together alone, stop and watch this. So that person that's holding the relationship, who feels like they're holding the relationship together alone, that's going to speak directly to them. And connection equals currency. Notice how every hook is about them, their life, their pain, their dream. The upgrade from boring to scroll stopping. Online income. Here's an example. Boring. Today I'm sharing some tips on how to make money online. Scroll stopping. I was one missed paycheck away from losing everything. And that's the day I found the system that changed everything. Health and fitness. Boring. In this video, I'll be talking about how to get healthy. Scroll stopping. I lost 30 pounds without a gym membership, a diet plan, or giving up wine on Friday nights. Here's the only thing I changed. Relationships. Boring. I want to discuss communication and relationships today. Scroll stopping. My therapist gave me one sentence to say during any argument, and it stopped every fight we've been having for 3 years. Okay, do you have any feedback? Let me know if you have any feedback about this. Drop it in the comments. Beginners start here, okay? The hook formula that never fails. Identity or problem plus curiosity gap equals scroll stop. Identity, online income. Here's how ordinary people with no experience are building automated income from their phones while working a full-time job. Calls out the identity, time for dollars trap. Gap is the how. Identity, health, and fitness. For the parent who puts everyone else first, here's a 10-minute routine that actually fits into your chaotic schedule. Identity, selfless parents, gap. What's the routine? Problem, online income. If you've been showing up on social media every day and still haven't made a sale, you're missing one piece. Let me show you. Name the exact pain. And the gap, what's the missing piece? Problem, relationships. If you and your partner keep having the same fight over and over, it's not your relationship. It's this one pattern nobody teaches you. Names the cycle, the gap, what's the pattern, and the fix. The formula doesn't change, only the niche does. So here's your hook bank. You can screenshot this. Plus, I'm going to have a workbook in my community. If you're watching this in my community, there's going to be a couple workbooks and more hooks that you can use and ideas that you can create. And then you can put these hooks through ChatGPT or Claude, and you can create even more hooks. So, and just start using these hooks and start posting content. Okay. So here's some examples. Online income. Nobody talks about the day before it clicked. Here's what mine looked like. The only difference between people who build income online and people who don't. I had 3 different business models before this one finally worked. I tried 3 different business models before this one finally worked. Here's why. What if you could build something real without quitting your job, alone or starting over? Okay, so here's for health and relationships. I lost 40 pounds after I stopped doing the one thing every fitness influencer tells you to do. 3 words that will change how you argue with your partner starting tonight. The workout I do in 20 minutes that outperforms what most people do in an hour. You see how these like grab people's attention and create some curiosity? People want to know more. So the hook, you see how the hook reels people in? That's why it's called a hook, right? Because you hook people, you reel them in like when you're fishing. You understand? So your assignment today, write 5 hooks using the formula. 1 question, 1 bold statement, 1 audience call out. Then 2 in the format that feels most natural to you. Use your niche, your story, and your customer's pain. The workbook walks you through it. Post Number 2, post the one that makes your stomach drop a little. That nervous feeling means you're being real. Real stops scrolls. Pick your strongest hook, shoot 1 video and post it today. Momentum is made in the posting, not the planning. 3, bank the other 4. They're already future content. Every hook you write is a video you don't have to think about later. You now have a content vault and add to it every time you go through the exercise. Okay, this is how consistent creators stay consistent, right? The hook is your handshake with a stranger. Make it so good they never want to walk away. Okay, let's wrap it up. Master the hook, master the game. 0 silence. First word fires the instant the video starts. Any gap equals lost viewer. Open a loop. Leave a question in their mind that only watching the video can answer. Emotion first. They feel it before they decide to stay. Inspire, shock, or make them feel seen. Formula always works. Identity, problem, plus curiosity gap. Plug in any niche. Works every time. Okay. Go to wealthwithdan.com if you want to learn how to build an online business where you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,400 per sale in a community of like-minded people where we have millionaire mentoring every single Monday. So if you want to learn more about the business that I do to make money online, go to wealthwithdan.com and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless.